Peartree Cleaning strengthens client assurance with in-house IOSH training program. Like, comment and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. UK cleaning provider Peartree Cleaning has strengthened its workplace safety by delivering licensed IOSH, Institution of Occupation Safety and Health, training internally for supervisors and team leaders. The structured program embeds safety knowledge into daily operations, crucial for managing sector-specific risks like slips, trips, manual handling, lone working, and chemical use. The initiative empowers site leaders to identify hazards, manage risks, support safe work systems, and effectively report incidents. Since November 2022, Peartree has run 5 IOSH Managing Safely courses at both client sites and its Brentwood head office, with all 31 participating colleagues successfully passing. The company plans to host another Managing Safely course within 6 months, alongside introducing one-day refresher training for past graduates. For clients, the initiative ensures teams are led by professionals with recognized safety training, which also enables faster, safer deployment on new contracts. Moving the training in-house reduces external costs and scheduling conflicts while giving Peartree greater control over the quality, timing, and industry relevance of the training. Paul Riley, Health and Safety Manager at Peartree Cleaning, said, "Our teams work in live environments, often alongside our clients' employees, visitors, and building users, so it is vital that our supervisors and team leaders have the knowledge and confidence to manage risk on the ground." Riley continued, "Being licensed to deliver IOSH training in-house means we can give our people recognized training that is practical, relevant, and consistent. It also means we can keep building capability across the business through refresher training and ongoing development, rather than treating training as a one-off exercise." To learn more, read the full article in our professional development category. Read more at TWinFM.com.